Oh, sorry. Hello, students. Are you there?
Yes.
Afternoon to all.
Afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, students. Students, have you written down the experiment of 3D printing or not?
No, sir.
No, sir, file is
No,
not
sir.
uploaded.
Sir, file is not
Okay.
uploaded.
Okay, no problem. Now I am going to upload right now. Kindly check it on your Microsoft Team. One CSC. I am uploading beta 3 things there. The first is your PPT, and second is your video recording, and third is your file, the manual file of 3D printing. That is sufficient, students, or anything else you require from my side?
No, sir.
This is 3D printing. Kindly check it, students. I have made one folder with a name of 3D printing. In that folder, I have uploaded 3 files. Kindly check it and revert back to me.
Sir, it is visible.
Okay, that's great. Now, we have completed our total 7 experiments, right? Welding shop, fitting shop, foundry shop, carpentry shop, in the sheet metal shop, in the funnel, mug, and your one thing more is there, tray, right? And experiment number 7, that is 3D printing. Is it right, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now today I am going to check your file. Okay. Today we are not going to start our any new experiment. Okay. Now I want to check your file because some of the students have not checked the file till now. Today I am going to check the file and your viva I want to take. Okay, students.
Okay,
Now
sir.
Okay,
I
sir.
am giving you the 5 minutes to upload your file. You have to upload your file till the 6th experiment, till the mug and funnel. 3D printing as I have uploaded right now. So what you can do in the meantime, I am going to check the file of the other students, and the other students who are free can make the file of the 3D printing. This is right way. I think you will not waste your time. In that time you can make your file also.
सर
Is
आज
it
के आज
okay,
तो नहीं
student?
दिखानी ना?
No, that is not for right now, but I am suggesting you to complete
Yes,
your
sir.
file right now.
Okay, sir.
That is the not the wastage of the time, I think. Okay, so today I am giving right now time is 1:25. I am giving you 5 minutes to upload the file till experiment number 6, mug and funnel. Okay, students, especially Shantanu Chaudhary. I have in my record you have checked only 3 experiments. Naman Kataria, you have also checked only 3 experiments. Kushagra Jain, Pragati Mehra, and Nibir. These students have checked only 3 experiments. Other
Sir,
students have
Kushagra has
checked
left.
4 or 5 experiments.
Sir, Kushagra has left.
Kushagra
Yes, sir.
Jain.
I
Okay, roll
don't know
number
about Pragati.
335.
I don't know about Pragati, but he has left, sir.
And sir,
Okay.
today I'll be showing my fourth and fifth experiment. This is Nibir.
Okay. Why not the 6th one, beta Nibir?
Sir, it was 3D printing and you didn't
No,
upload the
no,
file.
no. No, that is the 7th one, beta. 6th one
Okay.
is sheet metal shop. We have divided the sheet metal
Sir,
shop into the 2 parts. Funnel.
yes, sir, I wrote.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, you are muted.
Yes, Yuvraj.
Sir, the experiments we have done for funnel, tray, and cylinder, we haven't done any soldering yet, right? I mean, we have to
Yes.
just make seam joints, double seam
Yes.
joints, and all that stuff, notching.
Yes.
But we are not doing any soldering.
Yes, we have not done the soldering.
Okay, sir.
Soldering is not in your syllabus also.
Okay, sir. Because it was written in the procedure in the laminal. That's why I asked.
Okay, 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 no
Okay.
problem.
Sir. Sir, you are
Yes,
muted.
yes, 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 Sakshit. Yes, yes, please.
सर ये जो वर्ड फाइल अपलोड करी आपने उसी में से लिखना है ना 3D प्रिंटिंग का?
Yes, beta, yes.
ओके सर.
Students, have you uploaded the file?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you will give the answer, please open your camera, students. Okay, when your turn will come, you are requested to open your camera. The first one I am going to start with the Aditya Kumar. Aditya, please open your
Yes,
camera
sir.
and tell me, have you uploaded your file beta of your 6th experiment?
Yes, sir.
Mug and
Uploaded.
funnel. Okay. And open your camera, Aditya. Aditya Kumar. Which file is there, beta Aditya?
Sir,
Three.
tray and cylinder.
Cylinder and tray. You have uploaded on 28th of October.
Yes, sir. Previous week.
Okay. Beta, in this file, only one page is there.
Sir, there are 4 pages.
Okay. Yeah, okay. But you have, okay, experiment number 6, you have written procedure for making cylinder. But you have to write here the introduction and other steps also you have to write. Only you have written the procedure.
Sir, you said that we have to write the procedure only because I've uploaded the 5th experiment already.
So on the 5th experiment, you have already uploaded all the diagrams, etc.
Theory
Right?
equations.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me, beta, what is the procedure to make a cylinder or means funnel? You have made the funnel. In just 1 second. You have made here the cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Beta, no cylinder is not there. You have made the mug and funnel, mug and tray. There is no cylinder is there. You have made the mug,
Yes, sir.
right?
Okay,
Tell
sir.
me, beta, what is the procedure to make a mug?
Sir, first we have to cut a rectangular sheet of 15 cross 8 centimeter with a straight snipper, and then we have to make a boundary of 5 mm on all the sides, and then we have to remove the squares from all the corners, and then we will have to do a notching of 5 mm on one side, and other side we have to bend it using the stakes and mallet. Then we have.
Aditya, can you tell me what is the meaning of notching?
Sir, 5 mm lines equal,
With the
sir,
help of straight snipper or curved snipper?
straight snipper.
What is the difference between straight snipper and curved snipper?
Sir, straight snipper is used to cut horizontally or vertically, and bend snipper is used to cut out the circular parts.
Yes, right. Continue with your procedure, beta.
Yes, sir. Then we will fold the sheet and make a double seam joint. And then in the other sheet, we will make for the lower part, we will make a circle of 3 centimeter radius. And then we will do the notching. And then we will put the cylinder on the lower part and then join them. And then we will get our mug.
Good. Good, beta. Now, the next student is Prajwal Goswami. Prajwal, are you there, beta?
Yes, sir. I'm just you said to make some changes last time, right? Because of the minus, I couldn't do it on Sunday, so I'm just doing it and submitting it in a minute.
Okay, no problem. I will come back to you again
Okay,
after
sir.
some roll numbers. Now,
Thank
the
you, sir.
next roll number is Shantanu Chaudhary.
Sir, I'm just uploading now.
Okay, Shantanu, because I have not checked your file after the 3rd experiment, right? So I need to check it. Okay,
Yes, sir,
Shantanu,
I'm
please
uploading
upload
now.
it. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next roll number is Naman Kataria.
सर आई हैव अपलोडेड टिल सर 5th एक्सपेरिमेंट 6th एंड 6th सर आपने चेंजेस करने के लिए कहे थे तो सर वो अपलोड हो रही है थोड़ा टाइम ले रही है तो सर नेट थोड़ा सा स्लो चल रहा है यहाँ पे ओके सर
Okay, Naman.
5th ओके सर
Naman,
सर
okay,
बस
I
होने
will
वाला
come back to you again when you have uploaded all the files. Then I will come back to you again. No problem. Okay.
थैंक यू
Yuvraj Walia.
Yes,
I
sir,
think
it's
Yuvraj, you have
uploaded.
Yuvraj, you have which experiment you have uploaded, beta?
Sir, the ones you said we have to do changes, I re-uploaded them after doing the changes.
Which changes
It's
you have done?
Sir, you said we have to mention the dimensions in the procedure, so I made some space and added the dimensions also.
Okay, that's
Minor
great.
changes only, sir. I have uploaded in the for Teams.
Okay. But I'm not okay, the mug and tray is pending from your side also.
Yes, sir. Mug and
Okay.
trace mapping.
Okay. I'm going to check beta, Yuvraj. Yuvraj, this file or this, which file is
Sir,
it?
I have done, yes, sir, separately, cylinder and tray.
Okay. Beta, there is no cylinder is there. We have made
I
a
know,
mug,
sir.
beta.
Yes, sir. But I have written for the mug only, sir. I just labeled it with cylinder.
But what is the meaning of this, beta? You have done it here cylinder again, here cylinder again, here cylinder again. Okay, that is the cylindrical shape. That is okay. Okay, just correct it, beta. We have not made a mug. We have not made a cylinder. We have make a mug. Okay, bache? Okay, Yuvraj.
Sir, I have also written cylinder. Sir, so
Yes, sir,
do I have
cylinder.
to write it again?
No,
The whole
nothing like that. No, there is nothing like that. Just put a whitener here and write it here the mug only. Okay, and add the steps.
Okay,
Hello?
sir.
Yes.
Hello? Sir, sorry, my net is not really supporting me today.
Okay,
Yes,
no
sir.
problem. No problem,
Sir,
Yuvraj. But I am suggesting you to just
yes, sir.
put the whitener in the name of the cylinder and put it as a mug and add the
Sure,
steps,
sir.
whatever steps you have added in the to making a mug. Okay, Yuvraj?
Sir,
Yuvraj?
you can check the steps. I have written
Yes,
it for mug only, sir.
I am going to check it. I am going to check. And one thing, Yuvraj, if possible, kindly open your camera, beta.
Sure, sir. Opening. Sir, am I visible?
Yes, Yuvraj, you are visible. Thank you. To make cylindrical using zinc coated.
Sir, I'll edit this.
You can add one more picture, beta, here for making a base of the mug.
Okay,
You
sir.
have cut down you
The
have cut it
circle.
down the circle, right? The how
Okay.
much dimension is there, you can add here. Right, beta?
Okay. Okay, sir. I'll add.
Okay, that's great. Okay, can you tell me, beta, the tools which you have used during making a cylinder?
Sure, sir.
And
We use.
one thing more,
Yes, sir.
1 minute, Yuvraj, just 1 minute. You have written it here 100, that is 100 meter or 100 centimeter or mm?
Sir, actually, I think because I made it from that app in the phone, I have written, I think, the measurements like millimeter, but it couldn't capture.
Beta, you have only here, it is clearly, I can see here
Yes,
you
sir.
have
I
written
missed it.
only the,
I missed it. Sorry, sir. My bad.
yes. Okay, no problem, but just correct it because
Yes.
it is not mentioned here, then nobody can judge it is a meter, millimeter or centimeter, right?
Okay, sir.
And now tell me the tools which
Sir,
you have used.
straight snips and bend snips. Straight snip is used to make straight cuts. Bend snip is used to make cuts. We have used scriber to mark the lines. We have used needle nose plier to make single seam joint and double seam joint. We have used mallet and stakes to be do the edges to make the sorry, sir.
No problem, no problem. Cool down, Yuvraj. No problem.
Yes.
Hmm. Just
And
try it again.
yes, sir.
Give me the
Stakes and
name only. Firstly, give me the name.
the stakes, mallet, bend snipes, straight snipes, scriber, needle nose plier.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Wire gauge is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wire gauge to measure the thickness of the GI sheet.
What do you mean by GI sheet, Yuvraj?
Galvanized iron sheet, sir.
How you can make a galvanized iron sheet?
Sir, by coating it with zinc.
Yes, right, very correct. Okay, Yuvraj, great. The one thing you have missed here, the first one is the dimensions. Okay, you have to correct it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you have to correct it as a to make a mug. Okay,
Okay,
you
sir.
have to correct here the three places there to make a mug, and here procedure for mug. Is it
Okay, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
And also you have to make here the diagram
Circle.
for the circle, means the base
Okay,
of
sir.
the mug. Okay, Yuvraj,
Okay, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir. I'll make the
Are you
correction.
able to understand this course, Yuvraj?
Yes, sir. Very well.
Okay, means it is not like that you are feeling it as a theoretical.
No, sir.
Means you are enjoying this course or not?
Yes, sir.
Students,
Enjoying.
are you enjoying this course or not, or you are feeling it as a boring course?
They're enjoying it.
Okay, that's great. Now, the next one is Nikita. Okay, Yuvraj. Nikita, are you there, beta? I think Nikita is not here. Now, next is Pragati Mehra. Pragati Mehra is also not here. Next one is Arunit. Yes.
सर निकिता का नेट नहीं चल रहा, वो दोबारा से क्लास कनेक्ट कर रही है.
Okay, no problem, Rakshit. I am waiting. Arunit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arunit. Have you uploaded beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arunit, I'm going to check. Now, how are you? Are you okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great, beta. Arunit. Arunit, I have checked beta. You are only 3 experiments, right? So you
Yes.
have to check today. The first one is the carpentry show. Carpentry show. Okay. Arunit, beta, can you tell me the any 5 tool which you have used in carpentry shop? Open your camera, Arunit, beta. Yes, your camera is open, right? Now, please tell me, beta, any 5 tool which you have used in the carpentry shop?
Steel rule, scriber, and tannin saw, coping saw, and marking gauge.
Okay. What is the use of the marking gauge, beta?
It is used for marking the lines. It is used for measuring the lines.
Okay. Can you tell me which joint you can make in the carpentry shop?
Lap joint, mortise and tenon joint, cross lap joint.
Okay. Can you tell me the procedure to make any one joint?
Yes. For making the lap joint, we have to place the workpiece on the bench wise, and we have to mark the lines with the help of marking gauge, and then we will cut it with the help of saw, and the remaining part, that is the extra part, can be taken away by the chisel, and that's how we get a joint.
Okay, great, beta. Arunit. This is your file. That is perfectly fine, beta, Arunit. Next file is your sheet metal funnel. Okay. Beta, can you tell me the procedure to make a funnel?
Yes, sir. Firstly, we take the sheet and we will mark the lines of 15 and 8 centimeter with the help of scriber, and then we will cut it with the help of straight snippers, and then we will mark the thickness of 5 mm on the knife. Then we will make a semicircular arcs of 7 centimeter and 2 centimeter radius with the help of scriber, and cut it with the help of curved snippers. And then we will on the edges, and then we will put it on the stakes and bend it with the help of hammer.
Okay, Arunit, beta, thank you. Can you tell me what is the difference between single seam joint and double seam joint?
In single seam joint, we join the one side to the another side, and in double seam joint, we will join it twice.
Yes. Okay. Can you tell me what is the meaning of GI sheet?
Galvanized iron sheet.
Okay, that's great, beta. Now the next experiment is of the tray and mug. All of you, please correct it. It is not a cylinder. We have made here the mug. I think you have all just copied it from the manual. You have not think about it, what you have made and what you have done. You have just copied from your manual. That is not a right habit, beta. It is for all of you. Okay, Arunit, you have to also correct it. That is make a mug. We have made a mug in our experiment. Right, Arunit?
Yes, sir.
Kindly correct it, beta. Now, in this also you have not make a base of this. Base of the mug we have made in our file in our experiment. You have not made it here. And also the same thing, you have not written the dimension here. And the dimension is also not correct. I can see it here. It is not a straight line. And why this line is coming down? You have not made in the right way, beta. This diagram is not correct. And here also the quality of the diagram is not correct, beta. Not good. Okay. Can you tell me, beta, any 5 tool which you have used to make a tray? Arunit bache?
Yes, sir. Snippers and galvanized iron sheet.
Beta,
Nose
galvanized
block.
iron sheet is not your tool. Iron sheet
Yes.
is not a tool, right? Tell me a tool name.
Snipper, scriber, nose plier, hammer, stakes.
Wire gauge also is there. Steel rule,
Yes.
Anna? Okay, okay, Arunit. Thank you, beta. Now the next roll number is Hemang Bhatia. Are you there,
Yes.
Hemang?
Yes, sir.
Hemang, have you uploaded the file?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hemang, I am going to check your file. You have made only one file, beta?
Yes, sir.
Combinedly?
Yes, sir. Both are there only.
The first one is carpentry. Can you tell me, beta, which would you have used to make your carpentry shop? Which wood basically you have used to make a joint?
Sir, red Marindi.
Yes. Can you tell me the types of wood? Hemang,
Sir,
kindly open your camera, beta.
yes, sir. Am I visible?
Yes, Hemang, you are visible, beta. Tell me,
Sir,
bacha.
types for woods will be timber and sir on which we work and normal wood that is just freshly cut and which can't be used as for our workshop practices.
Hmm. Okay, can you tell me any procedure to make any joint? Any joint, which you remember?
Yes, sir. To make a lap joint, we first fix it in the carpentry vise, and after that, we will take the measurements of what size is to be cut. And after taking the measurements, we cut it directly with the help of rip saw, and uh, after that, we will chisel out the left out material. So we'll get a perfectly fine that space, and for similarly we will make another wood, and finally we will get a lap joint.
Great. Okay. One thing that is important, beta, never use the pen, black pen or blue pen on this side, on the plain side. Always use the pencil. I think you have written it here with the help of the black pen. Half lap, cross lap, T joint and cross lap joint. Right,
Okay.
beta?
Yes.
Please remember. That is okay. Now the next experiment is to make tray, cylinder and funnel. You have made it in the one file only?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Beta, can you see the diagram here, funnel obtained?
Yes, sir.
It looks good. Have you written why you have not written here the dimension and why this is coming outside from here and this is like a seam joint? This looks like a seam joint and the quality of the diagram is good, Hemang.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, I'll correct it.
It can be corrected before than this also. Before the checking, you have to correct it. You have to upload the right file only. Okay, Hemang?
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me, beta, what is the use of divider?
Sir, to make a semicircle or a circle or to mark the radius on the sheet.
Okay, can you tell me, beta, this is a mug or cylinder?
Cylinder, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? What you want to show me here? This is the
Sir,
notching.
yes, sir.
And you have also not written here the dimension also in this one also. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what is the meaning of the GI sheet and
Sir,
how you can make it?
galvanized iron sheet.
Galvanized iron sheet. Okay. Can
Yes.
you tell me any 5 tool which you have used in the in this sheet metal shop? Any
Yes,
5
sir.
tools? Yes.
Scriber, flat file, and stakes, nose
Flat
plier.
file. Just 1 second. What is the use of flat file in the sheet metal shop?
Sorry, sir, वो flat file नहीं होती है. But
Okay.
yes, sir. And scriber and snippers, bent and straight, and वो nylon hammer, sir.
Wire gauge.
Yes, sir. Wire gauge also.
What is the use of wire gauge?
Sir, to measure the uh, st- wire gauge number of a sheet. So, like the sheet we are using in this experiment is of 28 SWG. So that we can measure.
Okay. Okay, otherwise good beta, but your the quality of the diagram is not good. Okay, you have to improve it. And you have not here, you have not any dimension, and also the and any tool is not here. This is not the right way, beta.
Sir, shall I show you next time?
Beta, you have to upload. I have given you lot of time, Hemang, right?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes.
this is not a right habit, beta, for your future also. You are in the first year, and you have to think about it when you are going to upload and when you are showing anything to your faculty. Okay, then that must be in the perfect manner. It is not like that, sir, I will show it again and I will make it. You have to give your best. When your best is there, then nobody will say like this to you. Okay, Hemang? This is your first year and just try to improve right now. Okay, that will give you the benefit after your BTech degree. Okay, Hemang? Okay. Now, the next roll number is Aryaman Anand.
Yes, sir. Camera opening.
Okay,
Sir, is it
Aryaman.
visible?
Yes, beta, Aryaman, it is visible, beta. Have you uploaded the file, beta?
Sir, yes, it is in one. Its name is tray.
Just 1 second, beta, I'm going to check. Aryaman Anand, right? 342.
Yes, sir.
And this is the name of tray and cylinder, right?
Yes, sir.
Tray and cylinder. Okay, to make a tray of zinc coated iron sheet. This is a procedure. Not written the dimension, beta.
Yes, sir.
And the quality of the diagram is also not good, but right now it is not visible maybe, but from here it is not good. To make cylinder, I can't see your diagram, beta. This is very can anyone say this is a cylinder? This is a procedure to make you can make the proper manner, beta. This is not the right way, right?
Sir, this is not the uh, in the book. This is the problem of the phone. Phone
Okay.
and the camera.
Okay.
Yes, sir. This happens with me also sometimes.
Okay, maybe. And you have to correct it, beta. I have not made the cylinder in the class. I have made the mug in the class, right?
Yes, sir. I
So
will
please
change it.
correct it. Please correct it. Yes. Now, can you tell me, beta, what is the use of straight snipper in sheet metal shop?
Sir, straight snippers are used to cut horizontally and vertically. Sir, it is used for making squares and rectangles, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what do you mean by notching?
Sir, notching.
Yes.
Notching. We cuts. We make lines at a regular interval. Sir, in ours we make it at 5 mm. Sir, and then using straight snippers, we cut them.
Mhm.
Sir, this is what's called notching.
Yes. Can you tell me any 5 tools for the sheet metal shop?
Sir, steel rule.
Mhm.
Sir, straight snipper, bent snipper,
Mhm.
stakes, mallet,
Mhm.
tri-square, scriber,
Mhm.
divider.
Good. Okay, Araman, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, the next roll number is Rakshit Malik.
Yes, sir.
Rakshit, open your camera, beta.
Sir, opening, sir. Excellent. Sir, it is. Yes, sir.
Yes, Rakshit.
Yes, sir.
Have you uploaded beta your experiment?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 experiment is pending from your side. Rakshit Malik. Yes. Firstly, the funnel. Beta, what is the difference between ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal?
Sir, the sir iron. Sir, in ferrous metal, iron is present as the main component, and in non-ferrous, sir, absence of iron is seen, and other alloys are also present.
Okay. What do you mean by GI iron sheet?
So
GI sheet.
GI iron sheet is the galvanized iron sheet. Sir, it is basically a iron sheet which is covered in zinc, which is zinc coated, because sir, it prevents it from rusting and maintains its shine for a longer time.
Okay, right. Can you tell me what is the procedure to make a funnel?
Yes, sir. Sir, for the upper part, first we take a rectangular GI sheet of dimension 15 into 8, 15 centimeter into 8 centimeter with the help of a straight snipper. Then length side, and open it for 2 centimeter and then again make a semicircle. Sir, then we, with the help of a bend snipper, we cut firstly the outer part of the 7 centimeter semicircle and the inner part of the 2 centimeter semicircle, which gives us a rainbow-like structure left.
Yes, right. Rakshit, have you made the cylinder or the mug in the class?
Sir, I have made the mug. Sir, actually, I didn't have a whitener in hand to cut it right now. So I will right after the class.
You have to correct it, beta, okay? And make the
Yes, sir.
base of the cylinder also in the experiment, in the diagram.
Okay,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, that is okay, beta. Thank you. Now, next is Nibir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So, roll number 336. Actually, at that time, my net was not uh, uh, properly connecting.
Okay.
So,
Okay, no problem, Nikita. I am coming back to you. Okay, after finishing 2 or 3 more students are there. After that, I am coming back again on from the starting of the roll number. No problem at all, Nikita.
oh,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Nibir.
Yes, sir.
Nibir, have you uploaded beta?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, I'm going.
So it's above.
Yes. I have checked your till foundry shop. You have to show me today carpentry shop firstly.
Yeah. No, sir, above one. Carpentry one. No.
Can you tell me, beta, any 5 tool which you have used in carpentry shop?
Yes, sir. For
Yes.
steel rule, pencil, scriber, wood, and hammer, mallet, stakes, etc.
Beta, wood is not your tool.
Oh, yes, sir. Sir.
That is your raw material.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what do you mean by mortise and tenon joint? Where you are using in your daily life? Have you seen any joint in your daily life like motors and Tannon joint?
So I think when we insert pen drive into CPU, that kind of joint.
Yes. Okay. Can you tell me the procedure to make a Tannon joint?
So I'm not sure about tenon joint, but I can say about lap joint.
Okay. Have you written this diagram, this name like figure and wooden figure for this wooden? And this is made. This is written by pen or the pencil right now.
Oh yes, sir. I use black pen. Sorry, I won't
Okay.
from next
No
time.
problem. No problem. From the next time, please keep in your mind.
I
Never
will
use
use
the
pencil.
hi. Never use the pen here on the plain side.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
This is your carpentry shop. Next is your
Sir, metal sheet.
okay. You have made this experiment as a complete like tray, cylinder, and funnel. You have made it
Yes,
in
sir.
this one
Combined.
only.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the use of this wire gauge, beta? Can you tell me?
Sir, we use wire gauge to measure the dimensions thickness of GI sheets.
Thing you have used experiment.
GI
What is
sheet.
the what is the number of that SWG gauge number for the sheet which you have used to make a funnel tray? What is the number?
28, I guess. I don't
Yes, your
remember.
guess is correct, but don't put
Yes,
it
sir.
as a guess. That is
Oh
28
yes.
only.
Yeah, 28.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the difference between single seam joint and double seam joint?
Yes, sir. In single seam joint, we just overlap one side to other, and in double seam joint, we put the joint in. Sir, we overlap twice. I guess double. Sorry, getting me what I'm trying to say.
And one thing more, there is a need to do correction here, beta. You have not written the dimension for
Yeah.
funnel and for cylinder and for rectangular tray. You have not written here the dimension. It is not the right way. When I have given you the dimension, you have to write it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Like in
Yeah.
the video, you can see again your videos. I have already uploaded on MS Team also, and your everywhere I have uploaded. You can check it on the video and please write down the steps with your dimensions.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Nipin?
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell me the procedure to make a tray?
Yes, sir. So first we will take the sheet, and then we'll mark the
Nipin, you have
dimensions.
not opened the camera beta till now?
Oh yes, sir. Sorry. So can you see me?
Yes, yes, you are visible beta. Yes.
So first we'll take the sheet and then mark the required dimensions, and then we'll make out the layout of the required tray we need, and then using bend snippers we'll cut out, and we'll bend it into the shape we need, that is the tray form, and then we'll make one side to no sir, we'll cut one side and the other in the opposite, so that we can make the seam joint and then solder it.
Yes, you are talking about, you have just, I think you have not seen my video. You have just read your manual and just whatever it is written there, you are just giving me that language only.
Yes,
Okay,
sir,
Nibe?
because on the class where you taught us this, I was absent.
But we
So
have to see my video beta. That is the
I
only
will.
motive to give you. Otherwise, what is the benefit of the classes? Because we have
Yes.
not done the soldering also, and you are just talking about the. I have given you the dimension also. You have to check it, and you have to check the video also. I have in the video I
Yes,
have
sir.
shown you how you are going to make it. Okay, that
Yeah.
is the only benefit of your experiments, beta. Maybe
Yes, sir.
there is no meaning of it when you have just read it and you have just giving me the answer after reading your manual. That is not the right thing, Nibir. Okay, just try
Okay.
to see the video, find out the time and see the video. We have made the this tray, funnel and cylinder also. I have made it and I have shown you. Okay, so kindly
Yeah.
check it in videos. Okay,
Sure,
Nibir.
sir. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Next is Parth Bansal. Parth, are you there, beta?
Yes, sir, just one second. Yes, sir.
Yes, Parth. Have you uploaded, beta?
Yes, sir. All the files are uploaded.
Okay, that's great, beta, Parth. One thing more, students, if you want marks, you can see marks here. I am putting your marks in front of you. If you want to improve your marks, kindly you can show me your files in the next time. Okay, there is nothing like that. If your marks is less, then you can't improve it. Okay, it is there, option is there. The last chance for you is also there. For the next time, please, if you want to improve it, kindly show me your file. I have already given you the remarks why I am cutting your marks. You can observe from here and kindly improve it and show me. Okay, students, if you want, but that is not foundation from my side. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Parth, I need to check your sheet metal shop.
Yes.
Where is that, beta? This is cylinder, funnel, and tray. Okay. You have uploaded the 3 different files.
Yes, sir.
Okay, firstly, I am going for the cylinder. Beta, cylinder is nothing. Cylinder is there. We
Yes,
have
sir. It was
mug
written in
here.
the manual, so I just copied. I will just correct it.
Don't try to copy from anywhere. Yeah, just put your mind.
So actually, we firstly designed the cylinder, then the bottom. So I thought that.
So what you thought? We have made only the cylinder. We have not made a
No,
mug.
no, sir. So we made the bottom part also, but it is firstly cylinder. So I thought just like it.
Okay, no problem, Parth. Just correct it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Can you tell me the procedure to make a mug?
Yes, sir. First, we have to cut the GI sheet into a specific dimension using straight snippers.
Don't give me the answer in the term of your manual. Okay, of the given dimension. What dimension you have used? Tell me that dimension only. I have given you the specification. I have given you each and everything in the experiment.
The exact dimension I do not remember.
Why?
Because
okay, no problem, Parth. But the next time when I will ask the question, I need the proper answer. Okay.
Yes.
The dimension with
Okay.
dimensions. Okay. Just
Yes.
check it in my video. You can see and you can note
So I have
down the
written in the
dimension.
file. I just check it.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, tell me, beta, which tool you have used to make a funnel?
So there are several tools such as straight snippers, bent snippers, and we also use measurement tools and divider to mark the shape of the funnel, and steel ruler to mark the lengths which we have to cut, and using bent snippers we cut the curved part of the funnel, and using straight snippers we cut the straight part of the funnel. Then we clamp this using a single seam joint first, then we use double seam joint to secure it. Then we make the bottom part of the funnel with we first cut the part using of the given dimension. I do not remember the dimension, but we get the dimensional part. Then using straight snippers this time, and then we mark a margin. I guess of 5 millimeters we mark the margin, and then we cut it into small pieces using straight snippers. Then we bend that part, and then we, in order to form a piece which would hold to the funnel, and then we roll it and use double seam joint to secure it, and then put it in the funnel to complete the funnel.
Correct, beta. What is the use of tri-square?
So tri-square is used to make the corners of a workpiece at 90 degree to each other, to check whether they are at 90 degree to each other. And then we can use in case of wood files, and in case of sheet metal snippers, straight snippers, or bent in this case straight snippers to cut the metal.
But just see on the screen, you have to note down here what is the name of this figure. Okay, what is that? You have to write it, and with
Okay,
the dimension like 80 mm, 80 centimeter. What is that? Okay, you have to write it in the proper
Yes, sir.
manner. This is not a right way, beta Parth.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Two corrections I will make.
And one more thing, what is the difference between ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal?
Yes, sir. In ferrous metal, the concentration of iron is relatively high as compared to other metals which are added into it in order to increase its strength. And in non-ferrous metals, the concentration of iron is really low compared to the other metals present in it.
Correct. Okay, Parth, thank you. Now next is Bhavya Singh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhavya, have you uploaded beta?
Yes, sir.
Kindly open your camera firstly. Yes, Bhavya. I think your only one experiment is pending to
Yes,
check.
sir.
Experiment name is Mug and Tray. Okay. This is the only one student I have seen it as he has written it as to make a mug and tray. Otherwise, always I have seen it as make a cylinder. Yes, good beta Bhavya. Bhavya, can you tell me the procedure to make a mug?
First, a 15 by 8 centimeter sheet will be cut out, a rectangle 15 by 8 centimeter dimension. 5 mm boundary line will be drawn on all the sides, and after that the corner squares will be cut out. And then one of the longer sides, a notching will be done. And that the shorter sides will be bent at 90° in opposite directions, and then it will be folded and a double seam joint will be formed. And after the cylinder is formed, the cylinder will be kept on a funnel stake to give it a proper shape by hammering it. After that, the slits formed during the notching will be cut and bent outwards. Now coming to the bottom part of the mug, a 6 centimeter diameter circle will be cut out and notching will be done on it, and it will be joined to the upper part, which is the cylinder, using a nose plier.
Yes, great beta. Can you tell me the procedure to make a tray?
The first step will be the same to cut out a rectangle of 15 by 8 centimeter. A boundary line of 20 mm will be drawn on all the sides, and then the half part of the corner squares will be cut out, and then another line of 5 mm will be drawn and it will be folded inside so it doesn't cut our hand. Then the 20 mm line will be bent at 90 degrees using anvil and stake, and then the corners will be pressed onto the sides to complete the tray.
Yes, great. Can you tell me any 5 tools for the sheet metal shop?
Steel rule, spring divider, scriber, nose plier, straight snipper, bent snipper.
Yes, good. Very good, beta. Okay. Yes. Now I am coming back again from the starting roll number. The roll number is Prajwal Goswami. Have you uploaded beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I won't be able to turn my camera on because I'm on the mobile data right now. The light went off.
Okay, no problem, Prajwal.
Sir, I have uploaded the new one. They are new ones are written in brackets in them. The tray and the mug.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I can see.
Wait, no, sir. Oh, sir, wait, me upload again. For some reason, the new ones also are. We did it not
New one.
send.
New one also is the old one.
Yes, sir, voice, sir. I
Correct
just,
it.
yes, sir, I'm uploading right now again.
Okay. No problem, Prajwal. Now the next roll number is Shantanu Raj Chaudhary. Have you uploaded, beta? Shantanu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I need to check your firstly the carpentry show. Other students, please don't waste the time. Please make your 3D printing file, which I have uploaded for you, and we have already discussed the 3D printing in the last session. If you have any doubt, then you can also discuss. Please don't waste the time. Okay, students, please do it. This is your carpentry shop. Can you tell me better types of wood?
Yes, sir. There are three types of wood: hardwood, softwood, and plywood.
Okay, what is the difference between in these three?
Sir, hardwood is uh, is heavy in weight, and softwood is not heavy in weight. It is hard to work on hardwood, and it is easy to work on softwood. Softwood is not durable also.
Only two types you have discussed. The third
Sir,
type is?
plywood is a wood having three types of layers.
Can you tell me what do you mean by notes?
So notes.
KNOTS?
Sir,
you have written it here. You can see on the screen. There is a notes you have written. What is that?
Sir, irregularities in the wood of the tree.
What do you mean by notes? Okay. What is the difference between these dread notes, live notes, line notes? What is the difference between in these two?
Sir, this
Firstly,
I don't
open your
remember.
camera. Open your camera.
Sir, my
beta.
camera is not working. I have to get it fixed.
Okay. Just do it for the next time better. Okay. Because it is
Yes, sir.
compulsory to open the camera in the class while giving the answer. Okay. Tell me, what are the different types of seasoning?
Sir, there are three types of seasoning: air seasoning, water seasoning, and artificial seasoning.
What is the difference between in these three?
Sir, in air seasoning, the wood piece is not exposed to sun or rain directly, but it is put in the circulation of air.
Yes, you are correct.
It
Tell
is,
me.
yeah, sir. Exposure of air is passed through the wood piece.
Can
And
you
in
tell me any 5 tools which you have used in carpentry shop?
yes, sir. Tri-square, marking gauge, ripsaw, carpentry wise, steel rule, pencil, chisel. Sir, that only I remember.
Okay, no problem. The next experiment is your funnel.
Sir, funnel.
Okay, can you tell me the procedure to make a funnel?
Yes, sir. Sir, first we'll take the GI sheet and make a rectangle of 15 into 8 centimeter with the help of straight
In this
snipper.
also beta, you have not written the dimension beta.
Sir, I've written. Oh, sorry.
Where it
Sir, I
is? Draw the
forgot.
pattern of body of funnel on a drawing sheet. Where it is written? I'm not able to see.
Sir, I've written in the tray and cylinder, but I forgot to write in this.
So you have to correct it beta, okay?
Okay, sir, okay.
Okay, tell me the procedure.
Yeah, sir, we have to make the rectangle of 15 into 8 centimeter with the help of straight snipper.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll make two semicircles of 7 and 2 centimeter.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll cut the 7 centimeters semicircle. So sorry, we have to make the semicircle. We'll cut the semicircle of 7 centimeter and cut the semicircle of 2 centimeter also. Then we'll make the line of 5 mm with the help of scriber at the bottom. And then we'll put that in anvil, and with the help of a hammer we'll bend the 5 mm lines. And then we'll make the double and single seam, double seam joint.
Okay.
So this is,
Can you tell me the any 5 tool with their descriptions?
sir, steel rule.
Mm.
It is used for marking.
Mm.
Wire gauge. Wire gauge.
Mm.
Used for measuring the thickness of the sheet.
Mm.
So tri-square. It is used to check if the sheet is at 90 degree or not.
Mm.
Sir, scriber. It is used for making lines at the metal on the metal sheet. Sir, sniper, straight sniper, and bent sniper. It is used for cutting straight line or curved lines. And such stakes is used for bending.
Okay. Now the next experiment is your mug. Here you have also written that to make cylinder.
Sir, I'll correct it.
Can you tell me the procedure to make a cylinder?
Sir, for cylinder we will take GI sheet.
With dimension of?
With dimension of 15 into 8 centimeter.
Yes, correct. Then?
With the help, then we'll make 5 mm lines from all the sides. And then we'll do the notching at the bottom side.
What do you mean by notching?
Sir, notching is cutting, cutting with same interval of dimensions.
Okay, tell me the procedure. Continue.
Then we'll do the notching. Then we'll make the double seam joint. And we'll open the notching, and then we'll give the shape to the cylinder with the help of hammer.
Okay. Can you tell me any 5 tool which you have used in sheet metal shop?
So in sheet metal?
Yes.
So ball peen hammer. Sir, wire gauge. Sir, tri-square. Scriber, snipper. Steel rule. Sir, okay, fine.
Correct. Yes. Now the next experiment is yours. I think one more experiment.
Sir, tray.
Tray.
So the sheet one is only the tray. Yeah, this one only.
Here you have not written the dimension, beta.
Sir, I forgot. I'll write them.
Okay, correct it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is fine. Okay, Shantanu, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Parth, please.
सर आपने फाइल में सिलेंडर के वजह से नंबर काटे थे ना कि सिलेंडर लिखा हुआ था कप की जगह पे?
Parth. In the last one?
Yes, sir.
Maybe.
Okay, sir.
But I'm not confirmed. Now what you want?
Sir, next time मैं फिर आपको दिखा दूंगा फाइल.
Yes, correct. with each and every thing which I have discussed with you, just correct it. Then after that, I will improve your marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now, the next one is Prajwal Goswami. Have you uploaded, beta? Prajwal, have you uploaded, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's uploaded. The new one is uploaded. File name already exists. Would you like to replace?
New one. This is a file only.
Sir, one has uploaded at least.
Which one?
An error came. Would you like to? Yes, sir. The tray is uploaded. I'm re-uploading the mug. I deleted them, but it didn't delete for some reason. So it gave me a file is still there. Would you like to replace or not? Error. So the tray one is uploaded.
But I'm not able to see. That is the I think older one because 19 minutes ago it is showing.
No, sir. A few seconds ago.
Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Sir, let me see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This has some corrections in this. Yes, this is the one, I think. Yeah.
This is a corrected one.
Yes, sir. There are some. I've added the dimensions and all in this.
To make the cylinder, we have not made the cylinder firstly.
Yes, sir. I'll be correcting that soon.
When you are doing the correction, then you have to do this correction also, beta.
Sir, which correct?
Like mug, you can write here.
Yes, sir. I'll remove all the cylinder and write mug where it is needed in the objective, in the result, and the somewhere in the procedure.
Here also you have not noted down the dimensions, beta.
Sir, I've
Yeah, it
written
is.
10 into 38 millimeters.
This is, what is this, 15 centimeter or 15 mm?
Wait, in the diagram?
Yes, in the diagram.
Sir, I'm pretty sure it's mm. Yes, sir. It's centimeter, sir. It's centimeter. All the units in there are centimeter. It's not visible because of the phone. Otherwise, the C is visible in the
Okay, no problem.
file.
Can you tell me the procedure to make a mug with the help of zinc coated iron sheet?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
tell me.
in this, we are gonna take the sheet of the appropriate size. Mark 10 into 38 millimeter surface, then cut it using the bent snips. Wait. No. Sir, we'll cut it with straight snip, not
Bend
bent
snip or straight snip?
Sir, straight snip. Bent snip for
What is the
base
difference
calculations.
between the straight snip and bend snip?
The straight snip is used to cut horizontally, and the bent snip is used to cut arcs and circles. In this for the cylinder we have to make. So we are gonna have to use straight snip to cut it horizontally, and then bent snip to cut the base, the circular base of it. I think.
Okay. Okay, tell me and continue with your steps of your mug.
Yes, sir. Sir, then the sheet, when cut, is bent into the shape we need, the cylinder, and then the joint is made. Use bent using stakes and mallet, and then the joint is made. The edges are. Hello.
Yes, you continue,
Hello?
please.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
you are audible, beta. Audible you are.
Sir, it gave me reconnecting only. Good. What? Hello.
Yes,
The
Prajwal.
Teams give me. Okay, sir. I'm back. I'm back. Uh, sir. Then, sir, we just join it with the double seam joint, and then take the snipper to cut the circular shape of appropriate size using the bent snipper, and just join it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Prajwal. Now, next roll number is Naman Kataria.
Yes, sir.
Naman, can you open your camera?
Sir, am I visible?
Yes, Naman, you are visible. And now you have to, have you uploaded beta carpentry
Yes.
shop and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All uploaded.
okay. Yes. Can you tell me the procedure to make any one joint in carpentry shop?
So yes. So for cross slab joint, I can tell.
Yes, tell me.
So for cross slab joint, first we will take two wood pieces, then
Mhm.
mark the then mark then mark the measurements on the woods, and then after that we will cut with the help of cross cut saw, and to remove the piece we will use a chisel to remove it. uh, and so after that the material is removed, extra material is removed, then we will place both the pieces one over another, and then we will join them.
Okay. Can you tell me the name of the defects which can come in your this shop? In this carpentry shop, which type of defects we are facing?
So in natural defects it can be knots and shakes. So in knots, in Hindi we say it as gaant, and so these are made of natural mishappenings. Like if we cut a branch from a tree, when it is when it is live, so there a knot is made naturally, which is very hard to cut and also to do work on it.
Okay. Can you tell me any five tool which you have used in the carpentry shop?
Yes, sir. Sir, try square to.
Use with the use of those tools.
Yes, sir. Sir, try square is used to check the so the rightness of the corners. Then there's a scale used to measure, and so then cross cut saw is there, and it is chisel is there, mallet is there.
What is the use of this chisel, mallet, and the third
Such
one which you
chisel
have said?
is such chisel is used to remove extra materials, very minute extra materials, and so mallet is used like a hammer.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, thank you about the carpentry. Next one is sheet metal. Which file is there, beta?
So third last.
This one,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the procedure to make a funnel?
Yes, first we will take a GI sheet, and then we will mark with the help of a steel
Mhm.
ruler, and so then we will After cutting the rectangular piece of 15 by 8 centimeter, then we will use a compass or a divider to make a semicircle from one end. Then we will, after making the semicircle on the rectangular piece, we will cut with the help of snipper, bent snipper. And so after cutting the bent snipper, then after cutting with the help of bent snipper, the bottom end of the rectangular piece, which is also cutted with the help of bent snipper, we will leave a 5 mm gap at the end on the end side, so that notching can be done there with the bottom part. And so to make this lower end, the cylinder part, we take another sheet, and then we will fold them together, make a seam joint, double seam joint, and at the top there are notchings. Then we will connect the upper part and the lower part by notching.
What is the difference between beta single seam joint and double seam joint?
So single seam joint is when we will when we will attach two opposite sides of the edges, and fold it once. And if we fold it again to make it a permanent joint or a more stronger joint, it is known as double seam joint.
Can you tell me any 5 tool which you can use in sheet metal shop with their uses?
So bend snipper used to cut bend snipper is used to cut circular or bend cuts, and straight snipper is used to cut horizontally or vertically. And so then there is क्या कहता so scale, tri-square to check the rightness of the ends, and scale to measure. And fifth one would be scriber to make markings on the sheet, GI sheet.
Good. Next experiment is
some mug and that tray.
Can you tell me the file where it is? Because a lot of file with the name of mug and tray.
Sir, mug and tray.
I think this one.
Yes, sir. Please check. Sir, I have re-uploaded the mug file by drawing a circle.
Okay, but still you have written it here to make a cylinder. Please correct it better.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. So let me check. I think this is not the right file. I have again uploaded. Wait.
Just check it.
So
I can show you the screen.
no,
this
sir.
Screen. Just check
so
it.
your screen is visible to me.
Okay.
One minute. So it's uploading. You can check for the tray in between.
Which one? The tray
Sir,
is also the 2 files.
Yes,
are there.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
This one?
Yes, sir. An hour ago.
Okay. Can you tell me the procedure to make a tray?
Yes, sir.
And one thing more, you have to write here it is a mm, centimeter or meter, whatever it is, you have to write it.
सर ये भी मैंने करेक्ट करके चलो सर एक मिनट आप मग वाली चेक कर लो मैंने उसको चेंजेस कर दिए थे इसमें mm वाली जो आप बता रहे हो सर मैंने नई जो भी मैंने अपलोड करी है उसमें चेंजेस कर दिए थे
But where is your new file? I'm not able to get
सर
any new.
मग वाली सर स्टार्टिंग ऊपर देखिए सर अ मिनट अगो सर इसे नीचे यस सर
Student, please upload when you will complete your file in each and every manner. Then only you have to upload your file. Okay. Please don't upload it again and again and again and again.
Sorry,
and,
sir. Sorry,
and
sir.
one more. Okay, no problem. I'm not saying anything. just I'm saying you have to upload only the correct file, okay? And also remove the previous version also. Please delete the previous version.
So
That is in your hand
I'm
or not? You can delete it or not?
so sorry to interrupt, but sir, now I'm doing my class on my phone, so the option to delete the file is not there on the phone. It's on the
Okay,
web app.
okay, no problem. Okay, this one is your new file, right?
Yes, sir.
And also here you have not written the dimension of this circle.
So
Only
3
you have written.
centimeter radius.
Why
Sorry.
you have not written?
So it was in a hurry. I forgot to.
These works I have given you from the so much long time. Okay, please
Sir,
don't say
but
it here. I am in the hurry or I was in the hurry.
no, sir.
All these are excuses, beta.
I was
Right?
when I was rechecking my files, the uploaded files. So I saw that I have not drawn the circle which
Okay,
was out.
no problem, no problem. Okay, can you tell me the procedure to make a mug fast?
Yes, sir. So to make a mug, we need. It was.
Naman, your camera is not on, beta.
It is on. So it is on.
Okay, now it's on. Now I can show you. Yes,
Okay,
tell me.
sir. So to make a mug, we need a GI sheet of 20 gauge. Am I right?
20
And
gauge?
sir,
20 gauge, are you sure?
20 gauge. 20, I think it's correct. 20 or
Okay.
18.
Okay, just recheck it and tell me again in the next time. I will
Okay,
not
sir.
give the
Sorry,
answer right
sorry.
now.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. Tell me.
And so then we will mark a rectangle of 10, 10 by 8 centimeter.
Mhm.
So then we will leave two
You have to
five.
recheck again. Naman, you have to recheck everything. You are giving me the wrong dimensions. Okay, so please correct it again. There the error is in your dimensions. And the gauge sheet is of 28 and the dimension is of 15 by 8 centimeter, not 10 by 8 centimeter. Right?
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay,
Sorry, sir.
just correct it. No problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. And
Okay.
so then,
Tell me.
should I
Proceed.
continue?
Yes, continue, please.
Yes. So after that, we will leave two 5 mm gaps on both the ends to make the seam joint for the cylinder for the mug, and 5 mm at the end also to do the notching. And then we will take another sheet and draw a circle of 3 centimeter radius.
Mhm.
And then we will also make notching on the circle which we have cut with the help of bent snip. And then we will join both the parts in using notching, doing notching.
Okay. Thank you, beta. Thank you, Naman. Now,
Thank you,
the
sir.
next roll number is Nikita Sharma. Nikita,
Yes,
are you there,
sir.
beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you uploaded the file, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to check, bache. Nikita. Just 1 second, sir. The mug and tray is pending, right, beta?
No, sir.
Yeah. Oh, tell me.
I have uploaded. Just a minute.
Yes, I'm able to see your file, beta. Tray and
Yes,
cylinder.
sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
But that is not tray and cylinder, beta. That is mug and tray, right?
Okay, sir. I'll correct that.
can you tell me the procedure to make a rectangular tray? And one thing more, the dimension are in the mm or in the meter, beta, or in the centimeter? Why you have not written then when you know about it?
By mistake maybe.
Only
Sir,
just
I'll
write it
correct.
here, no problem. All the dimensions are in mm. That is more than sufficient, right?
Okay, sir.
Tell me the procedure to make a rectangular tray, beta.
So you have to cut the rectangular sheet of 15 centimeter by 11 centimeter dimension using the straight snipper, and then you have to make the boundary of 2 centimeter on all the four sides. Then you have to make a diagonal and make a cross section on the square piece on the all the four sides. Then you have to remove the cross section from all the four sides of the sheet. And then now you need to do the lining on of 5 mm. Now put the sheet on the stake and bend at 90 degree using nylon hammer and press the lining of 5 mm. And now all the four sides you have pressed at 90 degree, and the tray shape will come out, and press the corners and fix using the hammer.
Yes, right.
That's it.
Okay.
So
Okay, can you tell me the procedure to make a mug?
make a mug.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So first you have to cut the rectangular sheet of dimension 15 by 8 centimeter using the straight snipper only. And then you have to make the boundaries on all the four sides of 0.5 centimeter. And then you have to remove the 0.5 centimeter square from all the four sides.
Right.
Now you have to do the notching on the other side and press the one side completely. Now on the stake you have to press as 90 degree both sides on the opposite direction.
Okay, right.
And so
Then?
आगे बताओ.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then we have to do the single seam joint, and then we have to make it the double seam joint, and then put the cylinder on the stake and press using the nylon hammer for proper shape.
Okay, can you
And
tell
then
me the
press.
okay, Nikita, more than sufficient. Can you tell me what
Okay.
is the procedure? Oh, sorry, what is the difference between single seam joint and double seam joint?
Sir, in single seam joint, we have to fold it or join it in the single way, and in double seam joint, you have to press it press it by in single seam joint you have to press it by hand, and in double seam joint you have to press it using nylon nose plier.
No, no, Vita, no.
No.
In the single layer, you can say not in the single way. We are pressed the sheet in the single layer. And if we pressed it by the double layer, then it is the double seam joint. Both is joined with the help of the nose plier only. Nothing like that you have to, when you will join it with the hand, and then you will get the single seam joint, and when you will press it with the nose plier, then you will get the double seam joint. It's not like that. Okay,
Okay,
Nikita?
sir. I was
Okay.
confused. Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, can you tell me what is the difference between your straight snipper and bend snipper?
Yes, sir. In straight snipper, you have to cut the sheet in horizontal. You can cut the sheet in the horizontal way or vertical way. And in sorry, in bend snipper, you have to cut the sheet in a circular way.
Yes. For cutting the bending shape or the circular shape, you are using the bend snipper. For cutting in the horizontal or in the vertical direction, you are using the straight snipper. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Nikita.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Next one is Pragati Mehra. Pragati is there? Pragati Mehra. I think she is absent. Okay. Now I think we have covered all the student. Any students left? Any student left with the checking of the file? Okay. Okay, that's okay. Yes, students, any doubt to you in your marks or in your anything else which you want to discuss with me? We have covered, I have checked your 6 experiments also, and with your Viva, only this one experiment is pending from my side for checking purpose only. That is the 7th experiment, that is of the 3D printer. Right, students? And I have uploaded the materials.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, Rakshit, please. Yes, Parth.
Sir, it was
please.
someone else. Very good.
Okay, okay, yes, Parth.
सर इसका हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल कैसे होगा, क्योंकि जो मेजर्स हैं तब तक होगा या फिर उससे पहले होगा?
Beta, if the college will be open, then it will be in the lab, and you have to make the experiment by the steps which I have discussed with you. And we can give you any one experiment to make, like you have to make a mug, or maybe you can make a funnel, whatever the external examiner will give to you, you have to make it. Okay. And firstly, we will give you the practice time. I will with you during your experiment, not to worry at all. And we will give you the practice time because you have not you have not worked on the tools. We will give you the sufficient to do practice. Then after that, the external examiner will give you if the college will be opened. Okay, maybe the situation will be good at that time at your exam time, and we will meet you in the exam in the college. That is my expectation.
सर उससे कॉलेज खुलने से पहले अभी आके कर सकते, जैसे कि इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स में सर क्या है कि आके प्रैक्टिकल्स कर सकते हैं?
Okay, okay, I will check it out and I will inform you, beta, because that is I don't know. The permission is you get the permission to do the experiment in the engineering mechanics. Are you coming?
सर हमारे नवीन सर ने तो किया है अलाउ एक्सपैच वालों को
परमिशन लेके एक्सपैच के बच्चों को बुलाने के लिए।
वो नाम लिख लेंगे बच्चों का एंड डेट सेट कर देंगे, उस दिन आके तुम कर सकते हो।
यस सर।
Okay, okay, that's great. I will check it out and I will inform you, beta. Parth and Yuvraj, I will check it out firstly whether you are getting the permission or not from the higher authority, because the procedure is going on with the permission of the higher authority. Only then only the students can come in the campus. Okay, so I need to firstly confirm it from the higher authority. I will tell you in the next time. In the next experiment, I will tell you.
अलग से वाइवा वगैरह भी होगा?
In your final exam?
सर उससे पहले जैसे माइनर्स के लिए कुछ नहीं था, तो बीच में कुछ और भी होंगे टेस्ट या वाइवा कुछ?
Only Viva is happened. Viva will be happened when your complete experiments will be completed. On the one in the one throw, you will get the chance to internal Viva of your the 10 experiments. Any other doubt, Parth?
Sir, roughly when will it happen?
Maybe in the last working day, before the last working day, on the last experiment. After the completion of these 10 experiments, then in the last lab, you will you have to give the Viva.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, Parth. Any other doubt, students?
No, sir.
Okay, now I'm going to take your attendance. If you have any doubt, then you can discuss with her.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, please, Ariman.
सर मेरा पिछली बार 3D से एक क्वेश्चन है।
Yes.
सर 3D में ये जो मटेरियल होता है हमारे फिलामेंट्स, सर इन्हें तो हम इनका टेम्परेचर हम बदलते रहते हैं।
That no, nothing like that. Okay, firstly, give me your question. Yes.
सर तो फिर ऐसे बहुत सारे मटेरियल नहीं होंगे ना जो टेम्परेचर चेंज को हैंडल कर पाएंगे, तो फिर इसकी वजह से कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है?
I am not getting your point. You are saying
लिमिटेड मटेरियल्स होंगे, मटेरियल टाइप, जैसे सिर्फ जो थोड़े सी फिलामेंट्स है या फिर वाइड वैरायटी है?
There are wide variety, beta. There are wide variety, and the temperature is moving from the 250 to the 400 degrees Celsius. That is totally depending upon the filament. And there is nothing like that. You are not fixing on any one temperature. There is a one heater is there which is helping you to melt down. Okay, that you will just set the temperature there. It will raise at that. Then after that, the molten material will come out.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, and Ariman. Any other doubts, students? I think you are able to understand this workshop practice or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, Naman, please.
In the 3D printing experiment, how we will draw the 3D printer? So, is there any sketch available or something?
I
Can you
have
please
given
guide?
you. I have given you, beta. You can see it in my PPT also. There is a
Okay.
one 2D sketch is there.
Okay, sir.
Yes, it is a particular one slide is there for the 2D print, 2D sketch of 3D printer.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Naman. Any other doubt, students?
No,
Okay,
sir.
now I'm going to take the attendance. Please open your camera, all of you. Yes. Roll number 329, Aditya Kumar.
Present, sir.
Yes, okay. Roll number 330, Prajwal Goswami. Prajwal Goswami. You are there, beta. I have checked your file. Why you are not
Sir,
replying?
his net is not working.
It is not
Okay.
working.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
he went to Kashmir.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, the next one is Shantanu Raj Chaudhary.
Present, sir.
Shantanu, open your camera, beta. Always open your camera when you are speaking on the board or in this session. Please open your camera.
Sir, my
Okay.
camera is
Sir,
not working.
Prajwal
Okay.
Goswami present, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
okay,
I just
Prajwal.
got.
Okay, okay, okay. Naman Kataria.
Present, sir.
Yes. Yuvraj Walia.
Present, sir.
Okay, Yuvraj. Next roll number is Kushagra Jain. Kushagra Jain. Next roll number is Nikita Sharma.
Present, sir.
Next roll number is Pragati Mehra. Okay. Next roll number is Aruneet. Roll number 339.
Present, sir.
Okay, Aruneet. Next roll number is Himank Bhatia.
Present, sir.
Yes, Himank. Okay. Next roll number is Areman Anand.
Present, sir.
Okay, Areman. Next roll number is Rakshit Malik.
Present, sir.
Okay, Rakshit. Next roll number is Aryan Sarova. Aryan. Okay. Next roll number is Nibir.
Present, sir.
Okay. Next roll number is Parth Bansal.
Sir, Parth Bansal present.
Yes. Okay, Parth. Next roll number is Bhavya Singh.
Present, sir.
Okay. So absentees in today class. First one is roll number 335, Kushagra Jain. Second is 337, Pragati Mehra. And the last one is Aryan Sarova, roll number 347. Any student left with the attendance? Okay, student, thank you. Now, in the next class, we are planning to do our next experiment of the heat treatment or blacksmith. Let's see what experiment we will do. The 2 or 3 experiments are pending, and we will try to complete it as soon as possible. Further, if you have any doubt, you can tell me. Students, any doubt in today's class? On the previous classes also?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you, students. Now you can join your next class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.